Hi guys, so I'm gonna show you I uh how to unfriend the admin. So first gotta do first is go to Roblox. After going to Roblox, go to your friends' names, and then click their full profile. After that, you'll see this. Click that, and you'll have to search the admins that you want, just like that. And you're gonna find him just like that. You have the admin. That's pretty easy, and even from the others just like that. You can see everything, blah blah blah, that there, and you can unlock everything, bro. So that's all guys, and you can still find anything like this, just like that. We'll find the admin, and we'll see. Wait, I'm like, wait, underscore Sayolas. Yeah, you can still find the others there, but so fine. It's pretty easy for me because I find here the Roblox guy. So if you wanna find him, you can find him in there.